Are you searching for your dream home in Uganda? Look no further. SSEMA Properties offers a wide range of houses for sale across the country. Whether you are seeking for a cozy bungalow in Kampala, a serene retreat in Entebbe, a picturesque house in Jinja, or a spacious property in Gulu, we have the perfect home for you. Explore a variety of homes for sale across all parts of Uganda. Enjoy stunning views, modern amenities, and the perfect space for your family. Why choose SSEMA Properties? We feature houses in all major cities and picturesque rural areas. From modern apartments to traditional homes, our portfolio suits every taste and budget. Each property is meticulously vetted to meet our high standards of quality and safety. Our experienced team is dedicated to helping you find the home that fits your needs and lifestyle. Contact us today to find your ideal home and start living your dream. Contact us now on 07083459916 or on 070798609. We are awaiting to fulfill your dreams, our dear customers. We remain SSEMA Properties, dealers in quality houses and plot across all parts of Uganda. Thank you.